Welcome to our guide on key lessons for abundance. We'll explore 8 key lessons that can guide you towards a richer, more fulfilling life. So, if you're ready to unleash your potential and open the doors to a world filled with opportunities, let's embark on this journey of abundance together. Remember, abundance is not something we acquire, but something we tune into. So, tune in, sit back, and let's dive into the first key lesson for abundance. Embrace positive thinking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Kickstarting our journey today with the first key lesson for abundance. The power of positive thinking cannot be underestimated. It's like a magnet, pulling opportunities, prosperity, and abundance towards us. It is our thoughts that shape our reality, and by filling our minds with positives, we can create an environment ripe for success. Imagine your mind as a fertile field. If you plant seeds of good things, you'll harvest abundance. If you sow doubt and negativity, you'll reap scarcity. It's as simple as that. And the beauty of it all? You're the farmer. You control what seeds you plant. Positive thinking is not ignoring life's problems. Rather, it's approaching these difficulties from a more hopeful and productive perspective. It's believing in our ability to make good things happen. And when we believe in ourselves, it opens doors to opportunities and abundance. Embracing positive thinking, we set the stage for abundance in our lives. Moving forward to our second lesson, align with purpose. Imagine you're on a journey. When your actions are in harmony with your purpose, every step becomes meaningful, every decision becomes easier. This alignment works like a magnet, attracting experiences that resonate with your purpose. It's like tuning into a radio station. If you're tuned into Purpose FM, you're going to receive the songs, or in our case, experiences, that match your frequency. And this is where the magic happens. When your actions and purpose unite, they create a powerful synergy. This synergy amplifies your energy, focus, and ultimately, your results. It's like a key, fitting perfectly into a lock, turning smoothly, and voila, you've unlocked the door to abundance. When we align with purpose, we unlock the door to abundance. Now we delve into our third key lesson, learning from failure. It's an undeniable truth that we all experience failures. However, the way we perceive and react to these failures is what truly defines our journey toward abundance. Failures are not roadblocks but rather stepping stones, leading us towards our goals. They are valuable lessons providing insights and knowledge that we wouldn't have gained otherwise. Every time we stumble, we're given a chance to learn, to grow, and to refine our strategies. When our efforts do not yield the desired results, it doesn't mean we've lost. Instead, it means we've discovered a way that doesn't work. And now we have an opportunity to try a different approach. Let's not forget that the path to abundance is not always linear. It's filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. Embrace these moments of failure as your teachers, guiding you towards your ultimate destination. In learning from failure, we find the roadmap to abundance. Our journey continues with the fourth key lesson, persistence. Imagine a river, constantly flowing, never stopping. That's the embodiment of persistence. It's about keeping the flow, moving forward even when obstacles come our way, being unwavering, unyielding in our pursuit of our goals. But persistence isn't mindless repetition. It's refining our approach, adjusting strategies, and striving for growth. Understanding that consistency is the key to unlocking the door to abundance. When we are persistent, we create momentum. And with momentum, we can move mountains. We can turn dreams into reality. We can attract abundance in its many forms. And remember, persistence is the daily grind, the daily commitment to our goals, our dreams. With persistence, we keep the flow of abundance steady. Because when we persist, we not only survive, we thrive, and we attract abundance into our lives. Our fifth key lesson is risk-taking. Now, the word risk might sound intimidating, but let's redefine it. Risk-taking isn't about recklessness. It's about calculated decisions that push you beyond your comfort zone. It's choosing the road less traveled, not out of whim, but out of a well-considered belief that it could lead you to unexplored opportunities. Imagine a life where you never take risks. It's comfortable, predictable, but is it abundant? Not likely. Abundance is often found in the unexpected, in the opportunities that only arise when we dare to venture into the unknown. Taking calculated risks doesn't mean you'll always succeed, but remember, failure is just another stepping stone on the path to abundance. Each risk you take, whether it leads to success or failure, is a lesson. It's an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to prepare for the next leap. Through risk-taking, we open new pathways to abundance. Now let's explore the sixth key lesson, cultivate an abundance mindset. The abundance mindset is a powerful tool. It's an optimistic belief system that encourages you to see life as a vast ocean of opportunities, rather than a limited pool of resources. This mindset convinces you that there's more than enough for everyone. It's a shift from a mindset of scarcity, where you feel you must compete for resources, to a mindset of abundance, where you believe that you can create and share wealth. Cultivating an abundance mindset isn't about denying the reality of limited resources. It's understanding that by sharing and creating, we can generate more for everyone. It's about realizing that your success doesn't limit someone else's, and their success doesn't limit yours. Embrace this mindset, and you'll find that opportunities seem to multiply. You'll see potential where others see problems. You'll transform your life from one of scarcity to one of abundance. By cultivating an abundance mindset, we invite limitless abundance into our lives. Our seventh key lesson is healthy lifestyle. It's no secret that our physical and mental well-being play a crucial role in our pursuit of abundance. This is because our body and mind are interconnected, and when one thrives, so does the other. Investing in our health is like investing in a well-oiled machine. A well-nourished body coupled with a calm and focused mind can push through barriers and rise to challenges. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, these are not just good habits, they are the fuel that drives us towards our goals. Additionally, maintaining good mental health is just as important. Cultivating mindfulness, taking time for self-care, and managing stress effectively are essential for keeping our mind sharp and resilient. Remember, our body and mind are the vessels that carry us towards abundance. By prioritizing our health, we set ourselves up for success. A healthy lifestyle is the foundation of an abundant life. Finally, our eighth key lesson: detoxification. We've all heard the term detox. It's often associated with diet and physical health, but detoxification is equally important for our mental and emotional well-being. It's cleansing your life from negativity and toxic influences. This can be negative thoughts, toxic relationships, or any environment that hinders your growth. These are the obstacles that block your path to abundance. Imagine your life as a vessel. It can only hold so much. If it's filled with negativity, there's no room left for positivity and abundance, so it's essential to create space. Start by identifying the sources of negativity in your life. It could be as simple as a pessimistic attitude or as complex as a toxic relationship. Once identified, take active steps to eliminate or minimize their impact. Remember, detoxification is a continuous journey of self-improvement and growth. Through detoxification, we clear the path for abundance. Embrace positive thinking to attract prosperity into your life. Align your actions with a clear sense of purpose, guiding you toward meaningful experiences. View failures as valuable lessons, stepping stones on your path to abundance. Be persistent in pursuing your goals, for consistency is the key to achieving abundance. Dare to take calculated risks as they can open new doors of opportunities. Cultivate an abundance mindset, a belief that there is more than enough for everyone. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being, understanding that a healthy lifestyle is a cornerstone for an abundant life. Remove negativity and toxic influences from your life, creating a space for positive abundance to flourish. This is your journey to abundance. It's a journey filled with learning, growth, and transformation. Apply these key lessons for abundance, and watch as your life transforms into one of prosperity and fulfillment.